The maritime business is constantly moving. So is the Certica fleet management solution. We always try to do things better, making solutions even more efficient, creating the most optimal value for our customers. One of the latest released features for Certica Procurement is a new interface for the web-based maritime market platform, Moscord. In this video, I will show you how fast and seamless the creation of a requisition can be done using the Moscord platform in combination with Certica. Moscord supply various parts, items, equipment, etc. placed in different categories. First stage is to go to the Moscord website where you will have a dedicated login. This login is provided by Moscord. Select the items you need from the various categories. Add them to cart. Once you're done your selection, go to cart, and here you get an overview of your choices, including a total price. Send a request. You should now fill in some mandatory data. Once this is done, send the request. You're now done using the Moscord platform. In Certica, at the requisition screen, you have a dedicated button for importing the Moscord requisitions. At push of the button, you will get an overview of all the requisitions that you have created at the website of Moscord. It's here possible to select one or more requests. Certica will now import the requisition, and in this case, imported 2 different requisitions, including all the data from the Moscord website.